U.S. stocks in full rally mode this Friday afternoon on Wall Street after a historic and surprising gain in the U.S. jobs. They raised hopes that the economy is starting to recover from the coronavirus pandemic. U.S. employers added a shocking 2.5 million jobs last month, the largest gain on record, while the unemployment rate slid to 13.3%. This according to data from the Labor Department. Economists, they expected a drop of more than 8 million jobs and the unemployment rate to reach nearly 20%, the total opposite, which would have, if it happened, been the highest since the 1930s. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq became the first of three major averages to climb back to a record high, rising roughly 2.3% today. The tech-heavy index, keep in mind, was down more than 25% earlier this year. Meanwhile, in the Forex market, it's more of the same. The euro-dollar is where we begin. That's under pressure. The British pound-US dollar pair sees the upside prevail, and that remains in focus. The pair rebounding above its support at 126.05, remaining supported by its rising 50-period moving average. Long positions above 126.05 are favored with targets at 126.90 and 127.30 in extension. The dollar-yen sees the bias remain bullish, while the Bitcoin dollar as long as 95.90 is the support. Look for 10,237. The pivot point, 95.90. And in precious metals, gold is moving towards 1687. That's in focus as gold has broken below a rising trend line and below its 50-period moving average. Short positions below 1722 are favored with targets at 1695 and 1687 in extension. This while silver intraday sees its key resistance at 1785 a troy ounce.